Hi and welcome to another Type with me. I'm very excited because this week I'm gonna talk about Dino version 1, right? Finally, Dino version 1 has arrived. So when you go to the website deno.land, you will see that Dino is a secure runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript, right? So it's been created by Ryan Dahl, also the original creator of node.js. So it's really exciting because it has TypeScript baked in. So when you write some TypeScript code, it will just run in Dino, right? So that's great. One of the things that we see here is that Dino is secure by default. I will talk about a little bit later what that means. It has support of TypeScript out of the box, like I was saying. It ships only a single executable file, and it has built-in utilities like a dependency inspector, Dino info, and a code formatter, Dino fmt. It has a set of reviewed, audited standard modules that are guaranteed to work with Dino. So let's see how this works by just using these tools, right? Right, so here when I type in Dino version, you'll see that I am on version 1.0.2. When I type in Dino help, you'll get some help, right? Now here I can very easily put code to serve a hello world, right? When I now do dino run mod.ts, you will see that he compiles it. But yeah, I didn't save it right. So, alright, so here again I can run it. And you will see that I get an error. So I need to do dino run allow net mod.ts, because Dino is asks for permissions, right? So that's something that's very important in that regard. Then when we go to that URL, we get hello world, right? So that's great. So Dino has security baked in, right? And he has security for environment access, for network access, for file system read-write access, when you want to read a file or write a file. And when you want to run a sub-process, you need to give Dino the permission to do so. You can do so on these 4 individual levels, or you can do --allow -all to have just the permissions to do it all, right? Imagine you have a tsconfig.json file, right? And you just want to have that incorporated into your Dino run. You can do so with -c tsconfig.json and then mod.ts, and then it will print out hello world. Right. So another thing that you need to know is that Dino has a lot of W3C standards out of the box in his toolchain. One of them is fetch. When you want to use node.js, for example, you need to use node-fetch, because fetch is not standard in node.js, but in Dino it is. And this is just an example of it. So when we do dino run mod.ts, you will see that we need to have the permission again. So you need to know that that's a big part of Dino, right? And that's a good thing. So here we have it. We can have here a call towards the API of GitHub to get his users, and then you get just a JSON back, right? So it's very very easy and very normal to do so. So this makes it also very good for interoperability between the browser and your backend or your server. Another important one is that Dino supports ES modules, right? ECMAScript modules. So it's important that the package that is being published on NPM has ES modules support right into it. I have also a video around it, how you can make your packages ECMAScript module proof, so check that out. But if you just want to use Dino and you also want to use a package, you can just search here, immutable. For example, I already did a video around it about this, so yeah. But this is an example how to use that. And here we have what we want to have. But first of all, I just want to copy and paste this, for example. So now we have the reference to our package, right? So when I now copy paste this one, you need to know that we just need to have required. And so we have to cut this one, right? So I put it here. And then of course I need to remove this. And then we can just do something like console.log. Alright. And then we do dino run mod.js. He compiles it. He already got the package immutable from a server, right? I think if I'm just gonna go for RC11 or something like that, I don't know. You see that he doesn't have that, right? When I do, yeah, I also need to save it. Sorry. Now he's going to download it. Here you see he's going to compile it and then he's going to print it. So when he doesn't have the package installed on your computer, he just gonna grabs it from the CDN and he's gonna compile it and then runs the program on Dino, right? So that's basically it. So here you can just use ECMAScript modules instead of having a package.json where everything is being held on to. It's much closer to what's going to be in the browser. So I'm very pleased to see that. Also the security one is a very nice thing. So I'm very happy what they have done with Dino. I think it will be a very big deal for our industry, so check it out, play around with it. I'm gonna try to do some next videos around Dino. I saw someone creating a Dino React server, something like next.js. I'm also gonna check that out and do a video around that. So thank you very much to watch this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give me some love, and see you next time. Bye.